Oppo Reno series. You must be a fan of its design because all the times Oppo tried to bring some unique changes, and it has started from Oppo Reno until now Oppo Reno 4. Basically, two models have been launched from this family, which are Oppo Reno 4 and Reno 4 Pro. In this fastest network technology age, both are coming up with 5G network connectivity. So in this video, I'll cover Oppo Reno 4 by sharing its major specification and feature, and as well as at the end of the video will be my recommendation that will it be a perfect mid-range device for this year or not. So this is Raqibul Hassan and you are watching Gadget Insider. Just simple request before starting, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now without wasting time, let's get started. If I talk about design, as I mentioned earlier, Oppo Reno series always has some speciality, as we have seen last couple of design. If I talk about this device, design pretty much okay, which is slim and sleek, kind of squarish rectangular shape and rounded edge. The back and front side made out of Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and body aluminium frame. I must say build quality quite solid, and when you touch it, it will give you a nice grip in your hand. As it is made out of glass, after using for a few minutes, you will gonna notice a lots of fingerprints on its back and front side glass. The whole punch camera perfectly fits on its display. Not only that, the backside camera formation also looks marvelous. But I must say this type of design we have seen in other brands' phones. Maybe in near future we're gonna see something different, maybe something unique. Let's move on to the display. A 6.55-inch AMOLED capacity touchscreen has been given here, which does support 16:9 color. Display resolution Full HD and it's 89.5% skin to body ratio. Not only that, it has 90 Hz refresh rate, and through that high graphics game can be played very smoothly. Touch response will be accurate as well. Dual SIM will be supported and no external card slot will be given here. Means you cannot extend the storage by using external memory card. Although it has come up with 128GB and 256GB at 8GB and 12GB RAM option. No 3.5mm jack and stereo speaker in the audio output section, whereby you will get nice loud and clear sound system. Oppo definitely focus on artificial camera, means you will gonna see a lots of artificial beautification mode in the camera section. Talking about Oppo Reno 4, it is coming up with triple lens setup at the rear side, and these are 48 megapixel wide angle lens, 13 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and at the front side 32 megapixel single selfie camera. Up to 4K at 30 fps video can be recorded through rear camera, and 1080 at 30 fps by front camera. Camera quality is so far so good. We're gonna make a dedicated camera video of this device where you will get a clear idea about its camera quality. Talking about platforms of this device, I'm going to mention few things here, and these are operating system, chipset, CPU and GPU. Through that, you will get a clear idea that what kind of things can be done through this device. Android 10 and Oppo ColorOS 7.2 has been used here in the operating system. Talking about its chipset, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which is 7nm process, has been used here. It is an octa-core processor with the clock speed maximum 2.4 GHz and minimum 1.8 GHz. And graphics processing unit Adreno 620. In one word, if I want to judge the performance of this device, I would say that its performance will be very good for any types of work. Battery capacity also nice, and it is coming up with 4000 mAh battery, which maximum phones are coming up this capacity nowadays. But the more good news is it has 65-watt fast charging capability, which company has advertised that 60% charged will be done in 15 minutes and 100% charged will be done within 36 minutes. If it performs like this, then this will be a fastest charging capability phones of this year. All these good packages coming up with only 470 euro, and I personally believe it is a value price for this device. Means if you buy this, you will get a complete package. Through that, you will get a better design, better camera, better performance chipset, and battery with spatial charging capability. So guys, that was all about today. I hope the video was quite informative and you liked it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.